All right, here we go, everybody. Let's switch it up and do a used amp for sale. Been showing a lot of new amps going out, getting customer videos done, but this is a kind of a rare one. Traded a feller out this the other day, a local friend. He traded it in on another amp, and we're going to test this bad boy out and see what it'll do. I had no idea what it had in it when I traded for it because I don't recall ever seeing one of these before. But to my surprise, MRF 454s, and these are the original MRF 454s, not the HG. Not that there's anything wrong with the HG. It's one of my favorite transistors out right now. But these things are absolutely tough as nails. The HG production of the 454 is a tough transistor. And these guys right here are just as good, if not better. They've withstood the test of time. I don't know how old this amp is, but it still works. So, unlike the recent 667 we had on the bench that went up in smoke, I don't think we're going to have to worry about that with this one. Hello, audio, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio, radio, 1, 2, 3, audio. So meter works on the front, the light works. We're going to show you that the preamp works. I'm just going to key up our monitor radio. That's with the preamp off. Preamp on. Preamp on. Preamp off. So there's the difference for you. Preamp works good. Now, to explain how this amp works, you've got a sideband delay here. Hello, audio, audio. You can tell it's delayed. When we modulate into it, it engages. Audio. It kicks out. These last two buttons on here work as the stages for the amp. It's called a 4-power. The bilateral means that it has a receive amp and a transmit amp. Primarily functions as a transmit amplifier. Secondary function, receive amp. That's the bilateral. Bi being 2, so 2 functions. 4-power. It's got 4 power settings. Both switches are out. We're wide open. That's a stage. That's a stage. Together is a stage. 2 lights are out, by the way. So when we test this thing, this will be all the way up. That'll be a little lower. Another lower. Together. There you go. Now, what kind of sucks about that on these? They put the sideband delay. It acts as a low power switch. So if you've got the sideband delay entered in, you're not going to see full output out of it, just the way they function. There's the cover for it, by the way. It's in good shape, if anybody was wondering. But, excuse me, we'll show what this guy's drawing. 14.5 volts. We'll just key it up and give it a good audio. Audio. 30 amps plus. So not drawing a ton of current. Showing 40 on our power supply. I think we've got it on peak right now. So what we'll do peak first, and we'll check it for every stage, and then we'll go back to high, and we'll check it on average. So right now we're on the high stage, all the way open. Hello, radio, 1, 2, 3. That's the 1,000-watt slug. Audio, 550 or so. 5 and some change. Audio, call it 525, 550, something along those lines. Now all I'm going to do, I'm going to come back, push this button in. Audio, 500. I'm going to disengage that button, push the sideband delay in. Audio, 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 and it's showing about 425. Audio test. 450, 425. Audio test. Now what I'm going to do is put both of them in. Audio, radio, 1, 2, 3, audio, radio, and it shows a little shy of 400. Audio, and if you're wondering the current difference, audio, wow, it really knocked it down. So it really must have knocked the average power down a good bit. Audio test, but all the way down on the lowest setting, shy of 400 watts. Now, just out of curiosity, I want to see what it does on average on the lowest setting, which is what we're doing now. We're on average power, both buttons pushed in. Hello, not even 100 watts. Audio, about 80. So now what we're going to do, check it on average power, come back over here. Now we're on the high setting again. Audio, audio, audio. 240. If we just want to talk into the mic normal, a little bit shy of 200. Audio. But if we audio into it, around 250. Talking into the mic normal, just shy of 200. Audio test. 1, 2, 3. Audio. Audio. Audio it into 250. So, maximum output, 250 watts average, 525, 550 peak. You put a little bit more voltage on it, probably see that 600 mark. They rate it at 600 watts. We're not quite seeing that much out of it, but nice running amp. Bi-Lateral 4-power. Hello, test, test. Audio test. Audio. Audio test. Audio. Good running amp. I think this will make somebody a dandy, and it's rare. I haven't seen one of these before. At least I don't think I have. If I've had one, I don't remember having one. But good amp, nice cover for it. Decent leads coming out the back. They're not real short, so there's your hot and your ground right there. So possibly could use a larger lead on it, but fine to me. Obviously it's running fine the way it is. So if you want something to run in your vehicle and you don't want a huge footprint, don't want something that draws a ton of current, this thing might be your ticket. Bi-Lateral 4-power. Old Texas Star. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're interested in this or anything else I post, shoot me a text. 423-299-3535. Catch you guys out there. See you. Bye.